Hi guys! Hello guys. I got a package here. I managed to get the chicken cars and just on them. I ordered it on Saturday on the first day. So yeah, I'm now 14 years old now. I was born in 1999. I really don't. What's in there? Then I opened the package. And it says this. It's the chicken cars. Ordered this on. I'll recycle this later. I'll recycle the paper later. There it is. Farmer McColl's chicken cars. You press this. It works. Printed 2008. I just read it. Let's open. I want to show this off. I'm so pleased about this. This is a chicken car. So goes Billy. Episode, don't be silly, Billy. Here's Billy. He's gonna pull the chicken cars and this box. I'll cycle this later too. Whoa. And these cars. It says Farmer McColl's chickens. Colors brown, yellow, and orange. Everyone on Soda and Farmer McColl's approved the best eggs. He's now a very useful engine to pick up the special delivery that's fresh from the farm. That's from Thomas Gets It Right. And what's this too? Yeah, it's all. I'm 14. Now here's Billy, the chickens. I don't think this includes a pamphlet. That's why it doesn't. I don't think this includes. This is weird. It doesn't come with a pamphlet. Yeah, kids playing with it. Yeah. Here's Billy pulling the eggs. You know, that's my new take-on chicken cars. Alright, time for me to leave. Bye.